Hey there! So, let's dive into the problem we have. Our task involves updating a table in a PostgreSQL database based on the highest record value for each ID from another table. The goal is to ensure that the data in the target table reflects the most recent changes captured in the source table. Now, onto the solution provided to tackle this challenge. In the first step of the solution, we create an index on table 1 for the ID and record columns. This index helps streamline the process of fetching the latest record for each ID efficiently, setting the stage for a smoother update operation. Next, to further optimize the update process, we enhance the index by including additional columns name, data 1, data 2, and data 3 with a fill factor of 100. This step contributes to enhancing performance, especially in scenarios where the table is static or experiences low traffic. Moving on to the core of the solution, we execute an SQL query to update table 2 with the latest data from table 1. By selecting the record, data, and name values that correspond to the highest record for each ID, we ensure that table 2 accurately reflects the most recent changes from table 1. To wrap it up, by following these steps, we efficiently update table 2 with the latest information from table 1, ensuring data integrity and accuracy. Remember, optimizing your queries and indexes can significantly boost performance in database operations. Alright, time to wrap it up. Subscribe, like the video, and drop a comment below. Until next time, happy coding!